bolognese, and we're actually gonna put some mayonnaise on it this time because I didn't. I don't know why I put myself through it, okay? I don't know why I put myself through getting a squeezy bottle. Do you know why it is? It's because they're the ones that are on offer and I'm obviously a cheapskate. Put my hands up. I'll put my flipping hands up. Anyway, pasta. Can never go wrong. Come on. Oh my goodness. Guys, have you eaten today? If you have, you might not want to eat after that. Oh, my hair's cutting down. I literally washed it and it's going all silky soft. Anyway, so it's better than nothing. I just can't deal with that today or this evening. Also been really crap weather today. On a good note though, I finished basically my Christmas shopping. So I've done Ellie. No, I've done Tommy. I've just got to get Ellie a couple of more little things. Then the other people that I've got to do. The only person I've got to get for now is really Mum. But she hasn't given me my Christmas list. Her Christmas list, sorry. Oh, look at that bit of cheese on that pasta. Yes, son. Just trying to get a bit of just the cheese on. I forget how good cheesy pasta is. She needs to give me her list. That's what I'm saying. She's like, you need to give me your list. I'm like, you need to give me your list. She's like, well, I don't know what to get you. And I was like, I'm telling you to get you. You know? It's good for the gander, it's good for the goose. No, that's not the word. What was I saying then? Good for the gander. What's good for the gander? What the fuck is that saying? What's good for the goose is good for the gander. That's what I meant. Don't know if it applied to what I was said, but that's what I meant. I'll tell you one thing I did ask for though, was new knives. I've noticed now that my knives are pretty shitty. Oh my god, that scared me. That little bit, I thought someone was standing there. Nope. I do need new knives. And so actually, tell a lie, you guys actually gave me an idea of what she can get me. I do need new knives. One, the little knife is snapped, so I haven't actually got a little knife, and two, the others are not sharp. And to be fair, I did actually have them. I had them for a few years. Sorry. Why does my cat want to go out again? It's literally raining. You've just come in. I've got like a little veranda thing at the back of the garden. Don't know why I'm pointing, like you guys can see. So they've got shelter. But why isn't the spaghetti in? Twisting, you know what I mean. Just the little things I say. I really want cheesy pasta now. This is dangerous though, because now it's this weather, you just want that food. Carbs after carbs after carbs. It's true. I think I just nearly choked on spaghetti, but what I was going to say is, oh my god, this is nearly 5 minutes long. Like, what the helly? What the helly? This spaghetti is really pissing me off. I need a spoon. I need a spoon. Well, I'm going to go and get a spoon and lap that up. Have a good evening.